So you like to charge your phone every time you hear up NEPA, even if it is 90%.
Fiam, you don't go plug am again. Smartphone batteries are made of lithium and carbon and can lose their capacity to hold a charge. Lithium batteries only have about 200 to 300 recharge cycle. So if your phone is 0% and then you plug it up to 100%, that is just one recharge cycle and you have just about 199 cycles left. Now, how do you charge your phones?
Do you know that these our smartphone batteries are made up of lithium ion and carbon and they can explode? I mean, they can explode when left in very high temperature. So you need to be careful when you are charging your phone and you are leaving it in a very high temperature. So do you charge your phones overnight or you leave them 100% and they take so long before you unplug them? If you have loved this video and you have gained knowledge from this video, please click the like button and then drop your comments. I want to know, do you charge your phones overnight or you leave them when they are 90% and then you unplug them? That's the best thing that you need to do. Now, please subscribe to my YouTube channel where I share tricks and tips on IT, digital marketing, web design, and how to make money online. When you do that, you'll be able to see all my videos that will really inspire you. Thank you.